So on this review we have these. These were an Amazon choice true wireless stereo earbuds. Let's go to that close up, show you what you get in the box, and then let's come back. So here we go with a close up look at these true wireless stereo earbuds. These were Amazon choice. Here we go. So inside you're going to get a little manual, or that's what the company was called, TWS stereo pair wireless earphones. Have a look for that if you can't set it up. I have already set these up and it was quite easy, I will say that. So inside this little box here you get little charging cable. You charge the case. I will just quickly show you that, or I forget. So you just put it in there, plug that in, you charge your case, and a load of these different size earbuds. Let's get all that out of the way. Let's look at this. What I will say, this is a nice box. This is a metal box. It does feel a nice, secure, well-built box. And inside, told you it's a good box, closed on its own. Inside you've got these pair of wireless earbuds. Let's just get them out. There is a bit of magnet inside, and that's where they charge up. So they will sit down and there's a bit of magnet, and they kind of just drop in if you've got it in the right, like that. See the little lights come on because it's charging it up. The other one, just like that, lights come on, charge it up. Look at that. You pull it out, you pull them out, and here they are. There's your bits you put in your ear, and they will just sit in and you listen to your music. So let's try these out, eh? So you see the close up, you see what you got in the box. I've got my foot stuck on the chair then. You see what you got in the box. And what we'll say, before we go on to the main thing, which is the sound quality and the experience with them, it's mainly the sound quality. Let's talk about build quality. You saw in the close-up, this is a nice little metal case. These were £40 off Amazon. They were sent to me for nothing, but I can say what I like, but they were £40. That was £40 off Amazon. I will put a link below if you want to have a look for yourself. Like I say, the case is nice. It does close a bit easy on its own, but it is a nice case, and this is all metal case. They are presented quite well. They're presented quite well. They do drop back in there and they're instant start charging up. That's your little charge port there. But as soon as you drop them in there, they instant charge up. As soon as you pull them out, if you've already synced them, like I've already synced them with my phone, as soon as you pull them out, they are ready to go. They are literally ready to go. They come on, they give you a little flash indicator. You've got your left one and you've got your right one. You literally put them in your ear. So I had my hat on. I don't know why I had my hat on when I was going to put these in my ear, but yeah, I've got hat here. So you get your left one. That's my left ear, isn't it? So, oh. As soon as I put it in my ear, someone just talked. Said power on. So you put them in your ear. This is what they're going to look like when they're in your ear. I will leave one out because when I put this one in, I can't hear myself talk. Now they've just said pairing. If I'm shouting, I apologise. I cannot hear myself talk. They are noise reduction, whatever that is. That's what they look like. Does look like I've got a 5p piece stuck in here. But the sound quality of the little lady, pairing, and it's paired. They are paired because you can. It's really hard to talk when you can't hear yourself. They are pairing when you take them out. When you put them in, they pair. Each one has got like a touch sensitive button, so you can double tap, it pauses. No, double tap next track, single tap, just tap it. There's no button there. Anyone, you can tap anyone, it pauses it. I'm quite impressed with these, to be honest. I know they ain't the Apple or Beats or the proper ones, but, and I know they look a bit like you've got a bit of something metal stuck in your ear, basically, don't they? It looks like I've got something metal stuck in my ear. But when you've got them in, you cannot hear yourself talk. And it's really hard to actually. I pull one out. It don't look too bad. It feels comfortable now. It comes down to it. It feels comfortable in your ear. It's got all that noise reduction stuff, so you can't hear every Tom, Dick or Harry talking if you're in the street. They are comfortable, they're quite light, they are not heavy. They sync and they pair up with ease. With ease, you will sync at your phone or any other iPad, tablet, anything you got, they will sync easy. When you put it back in the box, they charge lovely. You just chuck it in, it finds its way round to its little connector. I've got that one in the wrong side. Just put it in like that, and it finds this little thing. They don't fall out. And they are flashing, I don't know if you can see it, but they are flashing red, or it's just a solid red light. They are charging up. As soon as I put it in my ear, it said power on, and if I put the other one in, because you can use them independently as well, if I put the other one in, left channel it just said, right channel, synced, pairing, just said that one, paired. They both just said paired. They work really well every time. Let's come down to the final thing in this review. The quality of the sound is okay, it's acceptable. You could walk and do your business, day-to-day stuff, and you won't be moaning about the sound quality. The quality of it is okay. There is a nice bass, there's a bit of treble. It's quite nice, the sound quality. The issue comes is the volume. The volume, they need to be about 5-10 decibel louder, if you're asking me. I had them on full volume and I was still thinking, oh, I just need a little bit more volume. It's like that here, and I needed it here. It's only a little bit it needs. It just needs like 5 decibels, something. It just needs a little bit more of a sound boost. It's the only thing that lets these down. I like the build quality, I like the sound quality, I like the design. I probably, if I was buying these myself, I probably wouldn't pick the silver ones. They're shiny, they stand out quite a lot, don't they? But overall, these actually ain't too bad. It does come in the box with another couple of these ear things, the things that go in the end. I like how it clips down. That's the best bit about it, is your little charging box. Sound quality is good, the sound volume just needs to be up a little bit, but apart from that, everything else is quite slick and tidy. Thanks to the company for sending me these out. These will be a link below if you want to try them for yourself. Remember, Amazon do like a 7-day money back, so if you don't like them and you've got them from this review, send them back and get your money back.